So it's been really windy here in Las Vegas and the patio is really messy. So it's time to spruce it up a little bit. So we put Dasher's playpen around the sitting area and we threw a sheet over it to protect it from flying leaves when it does get windy, and also from Dasher hopping on it after he plays in the backyard. So I spray painted these black to match everything else, and these are some of the stuff that I picked up from At Home and Home Goods and Hobby Lobby. And finally, we are done. And these are the sconces that I spray painted black. And this is actually the next following weekend, and I put a new planter here. On the left here is a bird of paradise I picked up from Lowe's, and on the right here is my monstera that I had for a year now. And I planted morning glory in this well I got from Amazon last year. And yes, you can grow banana plants in the desert. And corn too.